Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of CUP TV brought to you by Craftsuprint. In this episode we're going to be looking at a kit by Carol Smith. The CUP number for the kit is CUP 926327_1209. The kit is called Stella and Her Fruitcake Family. You get 5 sheets in the kit. We're going to run through the 5 sheets. But you get 1 sheet of decoupage, 1 insert sheet, 1 mini cracker sheet, and the sheets to make a mini envelope and a card to match. So you get quite a lot in this kit, and I love the humour of it, and I'm sure you will too. So in the kit, we actually get 1 sheet to make a full card, a mini card, and the larger card front. We also get the mini envelope that goes with the mini card. We're going to be making this. We also get the cracker, a great idea and ideal festive addition to any Christmas table. We get the insert panel. Now Carol's created these so that you can so it's sized to be able to go into the big card from the large card front, or you could cut it to go into the mini card as well. And then Carol's added a sheet of decoupage for you to be able to cut out and build up the card fronts. And there's an extra label as well for you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the cracker. Now, the one thing I found as I was creating this, it was easier to score the lines before I cut the cracker out. Carol's added all the score lines for you, and I simply take my trimmer. I take my trimmer and I add the sheet, and where Carol's added the score lines I simply use a bone folder, or you could use your scoring tools, and I run along the edges and then turn it round and keep going with all the score lines. Once everything is scored, then I cut out the cracker, and then it's up to you whether you use scissors or a craft knife to cut out the actual diamond shapes that help to make the cracker look like it should, as it were. So now all this is scored, and on one edge I've added flat tape. So I'm just going to take away the top of my flat tape, and I'm going to start folding it from the opposite side of the tape. Now I've scored this and I haven't used a bone folder yet on it, so I'm just going to make sure that each of the edges are nice and sharp and go along my score lines each time, just ensuring that we're going to get that nice crease and that it will look like a cracker. So then our last score line is where the tape is. So I'm very gently going to fold that over, and I'm going to match up the edge in the middle like so. There we go, and the tail of the cracker and the other tail of the cracker. And then I'm just simply going to squeeze the ends together and do the same with the other side. There we go. And push them in, and this gives you the shape of the cracker because you've scored all the lines around the edges. Now you'll be able to tie up the 2 ends with a little bit of ribbon and make it your own design and just personalise it, but it's going to look great on any Christmas table. You'll be able to fill it with sweets, with candy, with personal knickknacks and tailor make the crackers to match the person that, you know, is going to receive them. I've used one of Carol's labels. Now what you could do is make this a name label, so you could write the name of the person that you're going to give the cracker to, and I'm simply going to add that across the bottom, and that is our gorgeous cracker. Now in the kit you also get a mini card. Now I've scored down the centre, and I'm simply going to fold the card over. I'm going to use my bone folder to make sure it's a nice sharp crease, and that you can add the insert or you can leave it blank, use it as a gift card. And you also get the mini envelope as well. Now this is very easy to put together because it's all in one piece. So all you have to do is cut it out, follow the score lines, and then fold in the edges like so. Use your bone folder to make sure the nice sharp creases. If you haven't got a bone folder, don't worry, you'll be able to just make sure the sharp creases with your fingers anyway. Fold over the bottom of the envelope, and then we can fold over the top and add adhesive, maybe semi-permanent, something like that if you're sending it in the post or giving it to the person. So then we've got a gorgeous, complete matching set. And that is such a great mini kit. I'm just going to remind you of the number of the kit. And it's called Stella and Her Fruitcake Family. And it's by Carol Smith, so please be sure to check out Carol's other designs. The cup number is 926-327_1209. So I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and we shall see you next time.